700 exercise number 1 second half. The first prize was to be £500 if the best suggestion put forward seemed worth that sum full stop. So Will had thought and thought, comma, and had put in his own ideas for the improvement of methods full stop. The following day, comma, he told me, comma, the employees were to learn who had won the prizes full stop may put her hands in his, comma, for she saw that he cared very much, comma, that he had high hopes, comma, but she could not help feeling that the £500 would never be theirs, full stop. She was wrong, full stop. Will won the prize, comma, and his suggestions were considered to be so outstanding that the directors of the company had marked him down as a man worth watching, full stop. So on that lovely day in June, Will and May had some houses to look over, comma, houses in the country with rooms with a view, full stop. The first of the houses turned out to be much too large, full stop. The houses was cheap, but it was old and would need much money spent on it before it would be any good at all, full stop. The second house, comma, on the other hand, comma, was too small, full stop. It was placing little place, comma, very clean and well planned, comma, but far too small, full stop. May was beginning to have a heavy heart, full stop. Perhaps even with the money in the bank, it would still be impossible for them to get a house to meet their requirements, and their requirements, comma, she believed, comma, were so simple, full stop. They walked to the third house, full stop. It was a little way out of the small market town, comma, of the principal street, comma, and the road leading to it had not been made up, full stop. They had to walk carefully in order not to fall into the many holes that were in the road, full stop. Oh, comma, dear, comma, this is no good, thought me, and then they saw the house, full stop, set well back from the road. It was placed by itself in a wide piece of land, full stop. It was white comma, and the windows and doors were covered with clean blue paint, full stop. The windows were low and long, comma, and the rooms inside were clean and light, full stop. The grounds had been well cared for, full stop. Oh, comma, what a wonderful place, May cried, comma, and she knew that she must live her married life in that house and in no other, full stop. And the hearts of those two young people were light, and they seemed to walk on air as they returned to the property office to put down some money and sign some papers, full stop.